from WhatsApp chats between Riya and Mahesh Bhatt. More details that are filtering in right now. I'd like to take our viewers through. All of this is now being used as evidence as well. So let's take you through some of the WhatsApp chats that took place between Riya Chakrabarti and Mahesh Bhatt. These have been accessed now by India Today. Riya chatted with Mahesh Bhatt on the day of Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Bhatt called Riya on the day Sushant's death. Bhatt called Riya twice on the 14th June. Two calls from Mahesh Bhatt to Riya at 4 p.m. and 5:13 p.m. on the day Sushant died. I want to connect right now to get you more information on terms of what is in these WhatsApp chats, which have also come in right now. I want to cut across to my colleague Sahil Joshi, our Mumbai bureau chief, joining us for the latest. Sahil, there were excerpts of WhatsApp chats that were released to India Today exclusively on the conversation which took place between Riya and Mahesh Bhatt the day she left, which was 6th of June. Can you now tell us what more has been established in terms of the fresh WhatsApp chats that we've got?
These WhatsApp chats are basically about that's why Riya left on 8th of June and what was in her mind when she left on 8th of June. Now, the remaining chats actually, I mean, from the chats which we had run yesterday, clearly we can see that, she was heavily dependent on Mahesh Bhatt for the guidance. She used to look up to him, and that's what was clearly established. There are further more chats which clearly shows that how Mahesh Bhatt has been guiding her throughout, and she was in constant touch with him. She also was looking for a strength from Mahesh Bhatt, and Mahesh Bhatt also in the remaining messages says that...
chats, will you read it out to our viewers? Will you read out the chats to our viewers?
Yeah. So the chat, in one of the chat, what we can see is that he wishes Riya Chakrabarti happy birthday. This chat I can see is of, this happened at around 8 in the evening on the same day. And in that chat, she, she says that, I'll make you proud. Then he says further that you already have made me proud. Truly, it takes guts to do what you did and don't look back. So he's reassuring her that her decision of finally leaving Sushant and not to go back is the correct decision. The further, the chats, what we can see is that he has sent some, on the 9th of June, what we can see is that again, she has sent some picture and spoken about some nature of life and all that stuff. So it looks like that they have been in constant touch on various issues with respect to the life and how to lead the life, what to do when you are faced with challenges, and especially with respect to the relationships as well, how to tackle the relationships, what to do in the difficult relationships. All these things what we can see here in the chats. In one of the chat, what I can see is that Mahesh Bhatt calls her that you are my child, I feel light. Then she says that no words, sir, just a full heart, but the best emotions I feel for you. That's what also she mentioned. So they were emotionally connected with each other.
Stay with me, Sahil. Let's also bring in Devesh, who's got these exclusive details out. Just stay with me. Devesh, I just want you to read through the chats that have been released to India Today on the exchange between Riya and Mahesh Bhatt. Take us through each exchange.
So, Preeti, there were messages being exchanged between Riya Chakrabarti and Mahesh Bhatt on 8th of June, and even after that, on 14th of June, when Sushant Singh Rajput died, when his body was discovered. That day also there has been exchange, there's been communication between the two. So these messages are like, these are routine messages where Riya Chakrabarti is talking about general things. There are some quotes which have been shared by Mahesh Bhatt, and then we see that there are two calls that have happened between the two, but she's missed those calls. On 10th of June.
Devesh, let's go one by one. Let's talk about the day, Devesh, the day Sushant's death, the day of Sushant's death, 14th June. Let's talk about that day. Now, there's a message right there which our viewers can see. We're going to put it out in graphics very soon, where she wishes Mahesh Bhatt good morning. She asks Mahesh Bhatt to give her his daily dose of energy. It's right there through his WhatsApp messages in the morning. She ends that message with saying, "Love you, sir." So this exchange clearly happened before she got to know that Sushant had died. Yes, it's at 9:35 a.m.
Yes, exactly, Preeti, and you can see. Yes, Preeti. These messages have been exchanged early morning at around 9. This has happened at 9:35 a.m. Then Mahesh Bhatt has shared a quote: "Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor." Then Riya has responded to it. Mahesh Bhatt responds, "Love you, child," and then Riya again says, "Love you, sir, my angel." And then at 2:35 p.m. there is a message from Mahesh Bhatt. It is possible that Mahesh Bhatt would have heard about Sushant's death from media reports, and after that, at around 2:35
what does that message say? Devesh, I'll stop you there. At 2:35, so on the day of Sushant's death, 9:30 a.m., Riya says, "Good morning, sir. I demand my daily dose of energy via the morning quotes you send on WhatsApp. Love you, sir. You're my angel." Mahesh Bhatt then at 2:35 sends her a message. This is clearly, Riya sent that message before Sushant's death. Mahesh Bhatt hears of Sushant's death. It seems he has. And then what happens? What does his message say at 2:35?
Yes, Preeti, this message sent by Mahesh Bhatt says, "Call me." And then there are two missed voice calls from Mahesh Bhatt at 4 p.m., 4:01 p.m. and then there's a 5:13 p.m. missed call. So maybe Riya was distraught after hearing the news of Sushant's death. She was unable to answer any phone calls after that. But yes, 2:35 p.m. Mahesh Bhatt has started this communication. He sent a message and tried reaching Riya Chakrabarti, asking her to call him. And that is what the message says. The message,
this is the chronology.
Is "Call me."
Devesh, I want to correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm taking our viewers through the chronology of the day of 14th June because it's extremely important in terms of the communication Riya had with Mahesh Bhatt. The first communication that Riya has with Mahesh Bhatt is early in the morning of 14th June. There are two messages. In fact, there's only one message, which is on early morning, which says, wishes him good morning, asks him for his daily dose of energy, which he might be sending to her through WhatsApp messages. Then she says that she says, "I love you, sir. You're my angel." Then clearly, this is much before the news of Sushant's death has come up. Then at 2:35, after Sushant's death, there is a message which says, "Call me," from Mahesh Bhatt to Riya Chakrabarti. Consecutively, around between 5 to 6 p.m., there are two WhatsApp calls by Mahesh Bhatt to Riya Chakrabarti. Is there any more interaction during the day of 14th June between the two, Devesh?
No, Preeti, after that, we don't see any interaction that has happened between Mahesh Bhatt and Riya Chakrabarti. And also the messages that we've been shared, like that have been provided by our source, are only till the 14th of June. So till 14th of June, there have been multiple communication, multiple messages between the two. Mahesh Bhatt has shared quotes, shared some positive quotes, live quotes with Riya Chakrabarti, and Riya has responded to them. Earlier also on 11th of June, we can see a similar quote being shared by Mahesh Bhatt, which Riya responded stating, "So true, still just about getting my vision back. Good morning." And then there's another message on 12th of June where again about loneliness. There's a message shared by Mahesh Bhatt regarding loneliness. And then we come to 14th of June where early morning message 9:35 a.m. sent by Riya Chakrabarti. "Good morning, sir. I demand my daily dose of your energy via the morning quotes you send on WhatsApp. That's it. Love you." After which Mahesh Bhatt has responded within 2 minutes, "Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor." Riya responds to the message, thanks Mahesh Bhatt, and says, then Mahesh Bhatt has responded stating, "Love you, child," which Riya has again responded, "Love you, sir, my angel." Remember, Preeti, I would like to bring this to the notice of our viewers. We've spoken to the doctors who had performed autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput, and the time that they had stated, the time of death could be 10 a.m. So this message being sent by Ria is at around 10:05 a.m. Love you, sir, my angel. And then after that, there's no communication. There's only message that has been received by at around 2:35 p.m. which says call me, and then there are 2 missed calls.
Okay, Devesh.
So these are the messages
Right. Devesh,
that we've accessed.
so the first
Again, Mahesh
message,
Bhatt has shared
Devesh,
another.
the first message on the 14th of June, Ria initiates that message where she wishes him good morning. After that, this is much before. Clearly, it seems, at least if we go by the timeline, before Sushant Singh Rajput's death. After that, clearly, Mahesh Bhatt hears of the death, responds to it at 2:35 p.m., says, call me. Then he goes ahead and gives her 2 missed calls between 4 to 6 p.m. Before 14th June, the days which ensued 14th June, let's talk about now 13th June, 12th June. What was the interchange?
Yes, Preeti, on 12th of June also we can see that there has been exchange of few messages between Riya Chakrabarti and Mahesh Bhatt. Then here again on 12th of June, Mahesh Bhatt has shared a quote regarding loneliness with the picture, loneliness plays a key role in nurturing the seed of personal creativity and birthing one's true self. So this is the message, and which Ria hasn't responded to. Before that, there was a message on 10th of June. You can see that there's a message on 10th of June where another quote has been shared by Mahesh Bhatt regarding life. Then there's another quote, sometimes to really see things the way that they truly are, you have to take a step back and another step and then a few more. Which Ria has responded saying, so true, still just about getting my vision back, good morning. And that has happened at around 7:49 a.m. So these are the set of messages. I can see that there's one more message, though we don't have the complete screenshot. But on the 15th of June, also Mahesh Bhatt has shared a message, which is half of it is available with us, which reads, the monumental tragedy that has hit the nation with the passing off. And I suspect that this is in reference to passing off of Sushant Singh Rajput. So there's another message that has been sent on 15th of June as well by Mahesh Bhatt to Ria Chakrabarti. Though we can't see the complete message, the screenshot available to us through our source has been edited over there. But we can see that on 15th of June as well, he's sharing a message regarding the monumental tragedy that has hit the nation with the passing off. And we suspect that he could be talking about Sushant Singh Rajput. So this is the set of communication this is the communication that Mahesh Bhatt has had with Ria Chakrabarti. Last evening we ran what was the communication Mahesh Bhatt had with Ria Chakrabarti on 8th of June, the day when Ria left Sushant's residence on her own wish and then shifted back to her parents' residence. And then after that, she's been communicating with him on 10th of June, 11th of June, then 14th of June, Ria has contacted him. And there's been a casual exchange of messages. And 15th of June, again, Mahesh Bhatt has shared a message regarding passing of Sushant Singh Rajput. Preeti?
You know, stay on with us, Devesh. Also take us through, Devesh, all of this exchange of message, has it been revealed to the police or to, of course, the CBI still hasn't interrogated Ria Chakrabarti, but this is evidence right now with the police, which the police handed over to the CBI.
See, remember, for Enforcement Directorate, when Enforcement Directorate was recording statement of Ria Chakrabarti, first day she was called, she was questioned regarding various things. Then on the second day when she was called, her phone were scanned by the Enforcement Directorate officials. The tech team of Enforcement Directorate copied or scanned all the data of Ria Chakrabarti's phone, her brother's phone, her father's phone, to check if there were any deleted messages, deleted mails, if any would be found on the phone, or deleted SMSs, deleted calls, if there were any. So the complete phone was scanned, and this has been shared with agencies. Enforcement Directorate has it, and Mumbai Police had also gone through the telephone, the mobile phone of Ria Chakrabarti, but it was never scanned then.
Right.
She was not a
Devesh,
suspect
you know what's
then for
interesting
Mumbai
is
police,
those
so her
two.
phone wasn't.
Devesh, what's interesting is, let's put the WhatsApp chat in perspective. The one message which you said he sent her, it's not complete, possibly regarding Sushant Singh Rajput's death. He's actually tweeted it out on the 15th of June. So Mahesh Bhatt, if you go to his Twitter feed and his timeline on Twitter, you can actually read out that statement, and I'll read the entire statement because he seems to have sent his own Twitter message to Ria, which is on the 15th of June. He's posted where he says, this monumental tragedy that has hit the nation hard with the passing of Sushant screams out just one message. When it comes to the area of mental health, we are not equipped to deal with the storm that will erupt the night from the ground beneath our feet. So on the 15th of June, Mahesh Bhatt posts a message which he sends to Ria Chakrabarti as well. It's a Twitter message where he seemingly believes, Mahesh Bhatt seemingly believes that Sushant suffered from mental illness, because that is what he's saying here. Let's, Devesh, go back to that message. You know, Devesh, let's corroborate this message where Mahesh Bhatt talks of loneliness plays a key role in nurturing the seed of personal creativity and birthing one's true self. Now, this is also a tweet by Mahesh Bhatt on the same day he sends that message to Ria Chakrabarti. Right there, you see it. That is, in fact, a tweet as well on the same day. So Mahesh Bhatt has sent that tweet to Ria Chakrabarti. It could be inspirational, it could be guidance, however or whatever our viewers would like to perceive. But he's tweeted out the same, where he says loneliness plays a key role in nurturing the seed of personal creativity and birthing one's true self. So, Devesh, I'll come back to you because he's tweeted this out on the 12th of June. Is it the same day that he sent Ria this message?
This message to Ria as well. We can see over here. It is a Friday, 12th of June,
right,
and the time at which he sent this message is 6:44 a.m. He sent this message at 6:44 a.m.
So he's tweeted out the same message.
Has been shared by Mahesh Bhatt, and
he's tweeted out the same message, Devesh, on the same day. Let's go back. Let's go back, Devesh. On June 11th, the message that Mahesh Bhatt sent on June 11th. It's interesting because I'm trying to corroborate these messages from Mahesh Bhatt's Twitter timeline. And he's tweeted, Devesh, on the 11th of June, sometimes to really see things in the way that they truly are, you have to take a step back and another step back, then a few more. This has been a tweet by Mahesh Bhatt on June 11th. Is this the same message that Mahesh Bhatt sent Ria on June 11th?
Yes, yes. Yes, Preeti, we can see the same message in the WhatsApp chat that Mahesh Bhatt has shared with Ria. Sometimes to really see things the way that they truly are, you have to take a step back and another step and then a few more. And which Ria responded, so true, still just about getting my vision back. Good morning. And this message has been sent at around 6:33 a.m. by Mahesh Bhatt, to which Ria has responded an hour later at around 7:49 a.m. So these are the same messages which Mahesh Bhatt indeed has tweeted also.
So there are three messages which Mahesh Bhatt has tweeted between 11th to 14th June. Three messages which he's basically forwarded his Twitter text to Ria Chakrabarti. And Ria Chakrabarti, of course, who clearly relied on Mahesh Bhatt for guidance, and you can clearly see in terms of the language that she's used, where she has called him, her angel, where she says, I love you, sir. Yes, Devesh, over to you. I know you wanted to make a point.
Yes, Preeti, regarding the tweet where he's cited issues regarding mental health, Mahesh Bhatt in his statement to Mumbai Police had said that he had met Sushant Singh Rajput in February 2020, and it was on request of Ria Chakrabarti that Mahesh Bhatt had gone to see Sushant Singh Rajput as he was not keeping well. So it seems that he really met Sushant when he was not keeping well. Remember, in October 2019, since Ria Chakrabarti and Sushant returned from their Europe trip, Sushant had been suffering from mental illness. He started undergoing treatment for the same starting November 2019, and his health had deteriorated in the month of November, and that has come to light in the statements of other staff. In his statement to Mumbai Police, that earlier he had met Sushant when he had come to see him, but after that, for the second time, he's met Sushant only twice. And for the second time, he'd gone to meet Sushant because he was not keeping well, and he hinted at the issues that he faced, that the late actor faced due to mental illness. Preeti?
You know, it's interesting because we just want to put this all in perspective for our viewers. The last, at least the exchange that we at India Today have from Mahesh Bhatt to Rhea is on the 14th of, in fact, on the 15th of June. And it's not a complete grab, but Mahesh Bhatt has said, and basically what seems is that he has sent his own tweet to Rhea, where he says the monumental tragedy that has hit the nation hard with the passing of Sushant screams out just one message. When it comes to the area of mental health, we are not equipped to deal with the storm that will erupt right from the ground beneath our feet. So at least Mahesh Bhatt was given to believe, or he believed, that Sushant Singh Rajput seemed to suffer from a mental illness. It's still debatable because right now, of course, you know, and I'll bring you back in, Devesh. In terms of the doctors that Sushant Singh Rajput was visiting, was seeing at that point of time, a few of those have recorded their statement with the Mumbai police. Can you give us details on what was the speciality of those doctors in terms of who've recorded their statement? Because clearly they cannot speak to the media because it's breach of confidentiality. But what was their speciality? Did they deal in mental health? Did they deal in, you know, they were just a general physician? Or what did they specialize in, on which Sushant consulted them on?
Preeti, there were 4 doctors, in fact, who have been questioned by the Mumbai police, by the Bandra police, which was investigating the issue related to Sushant's death. And these 4 were psychiatrists, senior psychiatrists, some top psychiatrists practicing in some of the top hospitals in Mumbai. Other than that, a psychotherapist was also called in, and her statement was also recorded, who had been treating Sushant Singh Rajput. And there's another psychotherapist identified as Susan Walker, who was treating Sushant Singh Rajput in month of November, and in the month of June, Rhea had sought Susan's appointment also for herself because she was also not keeping well. She felt that she needed help of a psychotherapist or a therapist to heal herself. So there are 5 medical professionals whose statements have been recorded, all dealing with psychiatric issues.
Hold on. The 5 medical professionals who were consulted by Sushant were the speciality of mental health. Only those 5 medical specialists have recorded their statement. Am I correct? It's not an orthodontist, it's not a dentist, it's not a general physician.
Yes,
he consulted 5 specialists on mental health. Is that bona fide proof? And those are the 5 who have given their statement to the Mumbai police, which has now since been handed over to the CBI, correct?
Yes, Preeti, these are 5 psychiatrists who are some of the top doctors who are practicing in Mumbai right now with some of the top hospitals dealing with issues related to mental health.
Take our viewers to the latest news that we're getting in. It's a WhatsApp exchange that we have between Mahesh Bhatt and Rhea Chakrabarti, but if you actually look at it, all the messages, and I've just corroborated it as I was speaking, the messages that Mahesh Bhatt has actually sent Rhea Chakrabarti are all messages that he's actually posted on Twitter as inspirational messages on the same day. Rhea Chakrabarti clearly, who relied on Mahesh Bhatt, and our viewers can interpret it as and how they want to, for guidance, for help, where she has gone on and suggested many a times that she looks up to him in this WhatsApp chat, that she says, and I quote, "I love you, sir, you are my angel." In that time, the chat is from the 11th of June till the 14th of June. There is also one message which is on the 15th of June, which Mahesh Bhatt shares with Rhea, and that message is pretty much the Twitter tweet that Mahesh Bhatt put out, which seemingly, suggests at the back of Sushant's death, where he talks about, the death of a star and how mental health needs to be talked about. So on 15th June, it seems, at least the messages, the tweet seems to suggest Mahesh Bhatt was very sure, or he thought, that Sushant was suffering from mental illness. A lot has been made out on the fact that did Sushant suffer from mental illness at all. Having said that, there are 5 doctors who've recorded their statement with the Mumbai police. All of them specialize in mental health. We are not making any conjecture. It's for our viewers to decide.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.